Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to study for English Literature, GCSE. Start by mapping your syllabus into themes and texts, then block regular 1-hour sessions for close reading and annotation. Use a revision calendar and set weekly goals so progress is visible and consistent. Prioritize core texts, learn key quotations, and practice timed essays to build speed and confidence in exam conditions. Approach texts actively by annotating for language, structure, and tone, and write brief scene summaries to clarify purpose. Collect and organize key quotations with clear explanations of their significance and technique. Regularly revisit annotations to deepen understanding and to spot patterns that strengthen comparative essays and thematic arguments. Build exam skills with timed essays that replicate real conditions and focus on planning before you write. Use mark schemes to grade your work honestly and target improvements in analysis or structure. Practice crafting clear introductions and consistent paragraphing so your arguments remain coherent, evidence-driven, and persuasive under time pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.